The Freddy Hirsch bandsaws are industrial-grade machines featuring heavy-duty stainless steel 304 construction, engineered for butchers and high-volume processors. The bandsaws are fitted with heavy-duty, continuous operation 1.5 kilowatt three-phase motors. The bandsaws are equipped with cast iron, special food-grade ceramic-coated wheels that are precision machined and balanced for stable blade tracking. The top wheel is easily removable for cleaning. Blade changes are quick and easy by using the top-mounted blade tensioner, ensuring minimal downtime. The 16mm width blade, running at 800 meters per minute, is suitable for cutting most common meats and seafood. Easily removable parts aid the cleaning process and hygiene maintenance. The Freddy Hirsch bandsaw is a safety-centric design. There are safety interlock switches fitted to the top and bottom doors, which trigger an electromagnetic brake on the motor, stopping it instantly. There is an emergency stop button fitted onto the switch box. The bandsaw is fitted with an adjustable thickness gauge and a hand guard. The blade carrier bar is height adjustable with a metal guide and bearing for smooth, safe operation. The bandsaw complies with the SANS IEC 60335-264 safety standard. The fixed table can also be removed for cleaning. First, open the upper door, then loosen and remove the T-bolt at the rear. Slide the table to the rear to release the locating buttons from the guide block, then lift the table and remove it. The sliding table is easily removed by turning the stop bracket through 90 degrees and sliding backwards, then replaced in the reverse manner. There are tensioned blade and wheel scrapers fitted to the top and bottom wheels. These keep the wheel and blade free from debris and support the blade whilst cutting. These can also be removed for cleaning. For servicing, the motor and drive pulley are accessed by removing the motor cover on the left side of the unit. To assist when replacing a blade, there is a green brake release button at the rear of the unit. When you push and hold the button, the motor brake is released, allowing the bottom wheel to rotate. The motor can't start when the green button is pressed.